Hi friends, how are you today? I'm Miss Sapna and I'm going to do a science experiment. If the things are going to sink or float, this is very popular in my classroom. When we do this in our classroom, it's so much fun. So for this, you will need a vase or a container. I took a vase because this was see-through and this was like a sphere, so I thought I'll use this shape. And then I have taken random things from the house: a Lego, a pom-pom, a plastic dinosaur, a lid, a glass bead. What is this? Yes, a tea light, and a crayon. Maybe I can put this out. This is a foam shape like a dragonfly. And then I have a Sharpie. So I have just picked random things. You can pick anything from your toys, or your mom and dad can help you gather some stuff. So now what we have to do is we have to make predictions. Now some things are lighter than water and some are heavier than water. So if they are lighter, they are going to float on the water. And if they are heavy, they are going to sink to the bottom of the vase. Now we first have to make a prediction. Now this is a pom-pom. Now what do you think? Is this going to sink or float? What did you say? Did you say sink? Oh, no. You said float? Okay, let's see. You're right. Now what about this dinosaur? Do you think this is heavier than water and it's going to sink or float? You said sink. Let's see. It dropped to the bottom of the vase. And let's try another one. What do you think about this crayon? Is it going to sink or float? I think it's going to sink. What do you think? Let's try this out. Science is all about making predictions. Did I say sink or float? All right, let's try this Sharpie. What do you think this is going to happen? Now, science is all about making prediction, observation, experimenting, and then finding the results. Even if you're wrong making prediction, that's totally fine. Keep trying with different objects. So I'm going to drop this Sharpie and see what happens. I'm going to make a prediction that it's going to sink. Let's see. I think it is heavy. So let's find out. Oh no! It is lighter than water. Wow. What about this Lego? Float? Let's see if it floats. You're right. It is floating. Can you see it? There are things at the bottom of the vase and there are things that are floating in water. Now let's see what happens to this glass bead. Okay, sink. Let's see if it sinks. You guys are saying it's going to sink. Now I don't want you to keep dropping all the things without making prediction. First make a prediction. What's going to happen to this lid? What do you think? I think it's going to float for sure. It sank. Oh no. And look, the Lego came down. What do you think happened? Did the water filled on the other side of the Lego that was hollow and made it heavier? So it sank? Make some observation. How about this tea light? What do you say? Is it going to sink or float? Ready? 1, 2, and 3. I'm thinking it's going to float. It is floating. How about this sticker that is made out of foam? What do you think? It's going to sink or float? I think it's going to sink. No. I'm changing my mind. I'm going to say it's going to float. It is floating. So do you see? Some of them are at the bottom, some are up on the top. Things that are lighter than water, they are going to float, and things that are heavier are going to, if they are heavier than water, they are going to sink. So I want you to try